Servers clients, WebSocket servers. On this tab, you can see a table of your custom servers. You can use this to receive events from Streamer.Bot and their data in other applications, allowing you to trigger actions or use the data. You can also send commands to Streamer.Bot to trigger actions or get information. The main difference from the built-in WebSocket server is that you have full control over what data is sent and when it is sent. However, the main limitation is that data can only be sent via the CSharp code subaction. In general, using this feature requires knowledge of how WebSocket works. You can change the width of all columns by dragging the separators. If you double-click on a separator, the column will resize to fit the width of its largest value. You can't sort or filter anything in this table. In the table you can see host, a combination of all connection fields. After start indicates whether Streamer.Bot is set to automatically start the server when Streamer.Bot starts. Status shows the current connection status. Possible statuses are none, opening, open, closing, closed, error. If you right-click anywhere on the empty space in this area, a context menu will appear with the following options. Add opens a dialog window to create a new server. When adding a new server, you need to give it a name. After start sets whether the server should automatically start after Streamer.Bot is launched. Address the IP address of the machine running Streamer.Bot. If you are connecting from a client on the same machine, use localhost. If you are connecting from a different machine, use the corresponding network interface address. Port specifies the port number you want the server to listen on. Endpoint. This is an additional part of the server address, which can make it more descriptive. Streamer.Bot cannot create a secure WebSocket server. After configuring these settings, click OK and the new server will be added to the end of the list. You must manually start it the first time to verify that everything is working. If successful, the status should change to open. If you double-click on a server, it will open the edit dialog. If you right-click on a server, a context menu will appear with the following options. Add opens a dialog window to create a new server. Edit opens the same dialog window but pre-populated with data from the selected server. If the server is currently open, you can only change its name, whether it should after start on Streamer.Bot startup. If the server is currently closed, you can change every field. Delete the selected server. Be careful, there is no confirmation prompt, it will be deleted immediately. If any triggers are using this server, they will stop working. After start, checkbox to enable or disable after start. Start, stop. Starts or stops the selected server depending on its current state. Disconnect all clients. Disconnects all clients connected to the selected server. Add to expert. Add the selected server to the expert.